Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley here, and I've been also asked about what can affect the dental implant cost, and can gum disease actually affect your dental implant? Well, I'm glad you asked, because yes, it can affect your dental implant, and it also can affect your dental implant cost, because if you have gum disease, you want to get that treated. Because those bacteria and those parasites that actually cause gum disease, cause bone loss around those teeth, that can actually affect how much it costs to get your dental implant completed. Because it's a very good idea to get rid of that gum disease prior to actually getting the implant placed. Because you can actually get gum disease around your implant. And the last thing we want to happen is to place that brand new beautiful implant and have it get infected, have it lose bone, and have it just not last as long as we want it to. So, thank you very much.